So, is this your first realistic oil pastel painting?
Yes. I think not only oil pastel, but in any medium, this is my first realistic. Otherwise, I was just trying to cartoons and everything.
Oh, wow. Can I see your painting now?
Final painting. That can you see?
Yeah, I can see.
This was the first day that I tried.
Okay. Very nice. It's a huge transformation, right?
So, and that too in a very short period of time. So
Yeah.
generally, it takes a lot of time to come to this, but thanks to you that you were able to give us all the details and come to this state at a very short period of time. So it took me every day 2 3 hours, but I was able to do it.
Okay, right. So, how are you feeling now after
It
creating your
is.
first painting?
I mean, I myself was surprised that is it really me who view this, and like everybody else around me was praising like Gopal, you did a really good job. All were praising a lot that this is the best thing that you have drawn till date. I said yes, even I am surprised about it.
Okay,
And this
that's
really motivates me to continue this further because earlier I was just wasting my time after my office and I thought, "Okay, let's continue my hobby." But now it feels that I can be a professional also if I continue doing this.